Question 15. Work out the length of the side AB. First of all, we have to say this is a right angle triangle. Right, so that angle there is 90 degrees. That's important. And then we're going to start labeling a right angle triangle. We call that side, the long side opposite the right angle, is always known as the hypotenuse. Right? Now, what's next? Well, then it depends on where we're looking for, what angle. Again, we're going to pretend we're standing down here. We're looking across at the opposite side, and that is called the opposite side. OPP. Opposite. OPP for short. And this side here then beside us is called the adjacent. Right, now we're looking for the side AB, which is this side here, AB. So that's the adjacent, A for short, right? A is our adjacent. So we need a trig ratio. These trig ratios, sine, cos and tan, are handy for right angle triangles. So look, we need something with adjacent in it. So like the sine of 23 degrees sailing over heaven is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So that would be 7 over the hypotenuse. We're not interested in the hypotenuse at this time. So say if we go for tan 23 degrees, two old angels, opposite over adjacent. So for us, tan 23 degrees would be, the opposite there is 7 centimeters long. Over the adjacent we don't know, and that's what we're looking for. The adjacent is the side marked AB in this case. So that gives us tan 23 degrees equals 7 over A. Now the long way around this algebra is we've been multiplying both sides by A. So that will give us A times tan 23 degrees equals 7 over A multiplied by A. And you see the A's here will cancel out. So we're left with A times tan 23 degrees equals 7. And finally we want A on its own. So we divide both sides by tan 23. So we divide that side by tan 23. And we must do the same to keep things equal. Now this is the long way around, but it's good for some people that might be interested. So A equals 7 divided by tan 23 degrees. So I'll bring up here and we get our answer using the calculator. A equals fraction key, 7 on top, and down below we have tan 23. Close the bracket. And I get 16.490 on my calculator, and say the two decimal places, so we'll forget about the O there then, or the 0. And our units is centimeters. And again, a good exercise there is you could draw out that triangle with a 7 centimeter wall there, or side, and an angle down here with your protractor somewhere at 23 degrees, and see how the whole thing fits together. And that will give you a good understanding. This will be a right angle, and you'll check your answer. That's about it.